Take a ride in the 2014 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, carpeted floor mats, perimeter alarm, engine immobilizer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.